Hey, little thinkers.
Let's think big.
Hello there, little thinkers. Welcome to another mind-boggling adventure with Ben and Pia.
Hey everyone, are your thinking caps ready for something absolutely brain-tastic? Because today we're diving into one of the universe's coolest magic tricks.
Pia, I was playing with my flashlight last night, and I had the wildest thought. What if light could actually turn into real stuff, like toys or cookies or even people?
Holy guacamole, Ben! You just hit the jackpot of amazing ideas. Because guess what? Light really can turn into stuff. My curiosity engine is purring like crazy right now.
Wait, are you pulling my leg? Light can actually become real things, like solid things I could touch?
I'm as serious as a scientist in a lab coat. Imagine if you could wave a magic wand and turn a beam of sunlight into a butterfly, then wave it again and turn the butterfly back into light.
That's like the ultimate magic show, but how does this cosmic trick actually work? My brain is doing somersaults trying to figure this out.
Picture this. Everything in the universe is made of tiny, tiny pieces called atoms. But atoms are made of even tinier pieces called electrons and protons.
Right! And light is made of super tiny packets called photons. They're like invisible bouncy balls of pure energy zooming around at incredible speeds.
Exactly. Now here's where it gets mind-blowing. Under special conditions, those photons can suddenly, poof, transform into real particles like electrons.
It's like having a recipe where you mix invisible ingredients and suddenly get visible cookies. But what are these special conditions you mentioned?
Great question. Imagine if gravity was super, super strong, stronger than anything on Earth. Like if you had a cosmic giant squeezing space really tight.
Ooh, like near those mysterious black holes we hear about in space movies? Those cosmic vacuum cleaners that suck up everything?
Bullseye. Near black holes, gravity is so incredibly strong that it can actually squeeze light so hard that it transforms into tiny particles of matter.
That's absolutely thinkalicious, but wait, you said it works both ways. Can solid stuff turn back into light too?
You bet it can. It's like the universe's greatest magic trick that works forwards and backwards. When certain particles meet, they can disappear and become pure light.
This is making my brain sparkle with questions. If everything can turn into light and light can turn into everything, what does that mean about what stuff really is?
Idea explosion. You just asked one of the biggest questions in the whole universe. Maybe everything, your toys, your pet, even you, is just energy wearing different costumes.
Like we're all just energy playing dress up? I could be energy pretending to be Ben, and my sandwich could be energy pretending to be peanut butter and jelly.
That's a brain twister of the best kind. And here's something super cool. Doctors actually use this light to matter magic to peek inside people's bodies.
Really? How do they do that? Do they have magic wands in hospitals now?
Even better than magic wands. They have special machines that create tiny amounts of matter that quickly turns back into light. And that light helps them see inside you.
It's like having X-ray vision, but instead of looking through things, they're using the universe's own magic tricks to see what's happening inside.
Absolutely right. And this discovery came from a very smart scientist named Albert Einstein, who figured out that energy and matter are like two sides of the same coin.
So Einstein basically discovered that the universe is like one giant shape-shifting creature. Everything can become everything else.
What a wonderful way to put it. It's like the universe is the ultimate transformer toy, constantly changing from one form to another.
This makes me think about stars. When I look up at the night sky, am I really seeing light that used to be solid star stuff?
Mind spark, yes. Inside stars, matter is constantly turning into light through an amazing process called fusion. It's like a cosmic energy factory.
So every beam of sunlight that warms my face used to be actual star material? That's like getting a hug from space itself.
Oh, my colorful mind, that's beautiful. And here's another brain-tastic fact. Some of the atoms in your body were actually made inside stars billions of years ago.
Wait, I'm made of star stuff? That means I'm literally connected to the cosmos. No wonder I feel so curious about space.
You're a walking, talking piece of the universe. And every breath you take, every thought you think, involves this incredible dance between energy and matter.
This is making me wonder, if I could somehow turn myself into pure light, where would me go? Would I still be Ben, just in a different form?
That's one of the deepest questions philosophers and scientists are still exploring. What makes you you? Is it the matter you're made of, or something else entirely?
Maybe me is like a special pattern or song that energy dances to. Even if the energy changes form, the song of being Ben stays the same.
Curiosity overload. That's such a poetic way to think about it. You're like a unique melody that energy plays, and that melody is what makes you special.
And every person, every animal, every flower is energy playing a different tune. The whole world is like one enormous cosmic orchestra.
I'm getting goosebumps just thinking about it. And here's something that might blow your mind. This transformation happens all around us, all the time.
Really, where? I want to spot this cosmic magic happening in my everyday life.
Well, every time you eat food, your body is converting matter into energy. And every time you move or think, you're converting energy back into different forms.
So when I munch on an apple, I'm participating in this universal energy dance? My breakfast is becoming my thoughts and movements?
Exactly. That apple energy might become the energy that helps you solve a math problem or run around the playground. It's all connected.
This changes everything. When I look at my room, I'm not just seeing stuff, like I'm seeing energy that decided to play house and pretend to be furniture.
Ha 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 ha! Your bed is energy taking a nap. Your books are energy telling stories. Your toys are energy having fun.
And my dog is energy wagging its tail and being loyal. But wait, does this mean nothing is really solid? Everything is just pretending to be solid?
That's a brain twister of epic proportions. In a way, yes. What we call solid is really just energy holding hands very tightly in specific patterns.
Like energy is playing an incredible game of red light, green light. Sometimes it freezes into matter. Sometimes it zooms around as light.
What an amazing comparison! And just like in that game, energy can switch between moving freely and staying perfectly still.
This makes me wonder about black holes again. You mentioned they can make light turn into matter, but can they also make matter turn into light?
Brilliant question. Scientists discovered that black holes can actually evaporate by turning some of their matter back into light. They slowly shrink over incredibly long periods of time.
Even black holes follow the universal rule of energy transformation. They're like cosmic magicians doing the ultimate disappearing act.
Perfect analogy. And this discovery helped scientists understand that even the most extreme objects in the universe follow the same basic rules about energy and matter.
It's like the universe has one set of rules that everything follows, from the tiniest particles to the biggest black holes. Everything speaks the same energy language.
You've just described one of the most beautiful aspects of science. The same principles that work in your backyard also work in distant galaxies.
So when I'm playing with my toys, I'm actually experimenting with the same forces that shape entire solar systems. That makes playtime feel pretty important.
Absolutely. Every time you build with blocks, you're working with gravity and structure, just like the universe does when it builds planets and stars.
And every time I shine my flashlight, I'm creating photons that could theoretically transform into matter under the right conditions. I'm doing particle physics.
Now you're thinking like a true scientist. Every curious observation you make connects you to the deepest mysteries of the cosmos.
This conversation has completely changed how I see everything. When I walk outside later, I'll be seeing energy forests, energy clouds, energy friends.
And you'll be an energy being contemplating energy thoughts about energy experiences. The whole universe is one magnificent energy celebration.
We should do an experiment. Tonight I'll look at the stars and try to imagine all that light potentially becoming matter somewhere in the universe.
What a wonderful homework assignment. And remember, some of that starlight traveled millions of years to reach your eyes, carrying its potential for transformation.
So I'll be catching ancient light that's been on an incredible journey. Maybe some of it will whisper secrets about the matter it used to be.
And here's a final thought treasure for today. In the far future, all matter might eventually become light, and all light might become matter. The universe loves to recycle.
The ultimate recycling program. Nothing ever gets wasted. Everything just changes costumes and keeps dancing through eternity.
What a perfect way to end our energy adventure. Ben, You've made my brain sparkle with new connections about this cosmic transformation dance.
And Pia, you've helped me realize that I'm not separate from the universe. I am the universe, exploring itself through my curiosity.
That gave me goosebumps all over my arms. And to all our wonderful listeners, remember that you're made of star stuff, having a temporary adventure as a thinking being.
Next time you turn on a light or feel the warm sunshine, remember, you're witnessing the universe's greatest magic show happening right before your eyes.
Keep asking those beautiful questions that connect you to the cosmos. Your curiosity is energy exploring itself.
Until next time, stay curious and remember, you're not just in the universe, you are the universe having a wonderfully human experience.
Keep thinking, keep wondering, and keep being the amazing energy being that you are, little thinkers.